Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to stop a recording now. Make sure Metal is running and has permission to capture. First, open the overlay or the desktop app so controls are visible. This prevents confusion mid-session. Next, verify the stop hotkey in settings so you don't fumble. Set a simple key you can reach. Once set, start recording and keep the overlay accessible. That way, when you need to stop, you'll use the hotkey or the on-screen stop button without interrupting gameplay or losing footage. When it's time to stop, press the stop hotkey or click stop in the overlay. This ends capture and triggers encoding. Do not Alt-Tab away right away. Stay for the save confirmation, because Metal finalizes the clip for upload or local storage, and interrupting can corrupt the file. Once you see the confirmation, open the Clips or Highlights panel to verify the file finished processing. If you plan to trim, use Metal's editor immediately. Trimming right after saves time and avoids duplicate exports later. Finish by exporting or uploading the clip. Select quality and destination so it's ready to share. If the clip isn't in Clips, relaunch Metal and check the temporary capture folder. Sometimes encoding stalls and a restart forces recovery. If the overlay or hotkeys fail, open settings to reassign keys, toggle overlay permissions, or reinstall Metal as a last resort. A useful tip: test your stop hotkey in a quick 1-minute recording before a big session. It proves the workflow and avoids lost footage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.